Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2001 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide Classic. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description, or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 35,964 miles and passes New Hampshire State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output of 14 volts, installed a new front tire, and the rear is at 430 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician has noted that the cam chain tensioner is noisy and due for service, and the primary gasket is seeping oil. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are heat blemishes on the exhaust pipe, blemishes on the saddlebag lid, and a crack in the taillight. This bike has one key and comes equipped with a multifunction 2-speaker audio system. It's been upgraded with a Bassani 2-to-1 exhaust, a Scream Eagle Stage 1 intake, a tinted windshield, highway pegs, an aftermarket front fender, smoke turn signals, passenger backrest, a luggage rack, short antenna, and smoked fender lamps. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold as is without a warranty. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.